the best English speaker.
The MTCC outreach team identifies children like Ellen. We go out into the communities like where we are, and we work with families affected by orphanhood, poverty, HIV/AIDS, as well as COVID-19.
When these children come at MTCC, they learn through play. Our caregivers undergo a year training in early childhood education and professional childcare.
Children like Ellen and their friends get their meals, starting by a hot, nutritious breakfast meal every morning. And their healthcare is also in safe hands as they get free medical care.
As Beehive, we are very passionate in improving the communities through education, creating job opportunities for the needy, and building facilities that are environmental friendly. With the little resources we have, we are only able to reach a few number of vulnerable people in the community. But what if there was more to that?